This is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of PowerPoint Basics in 30 Minutes, and I'm going to show you the most important feature PowerPoint has launched in the last couple of years. And it's a visual feature, and I think it's more important even than having something like animations or fades or something like that. So we're looking at an old presentation I made. You can see it's pretty plain Jane, lots of text, not that exciting. But if you go to the Design tab in Microsoft 365, also known as Office 365 or PowerPoint, whatever the latest version of PowerPoint is, so it's PowerPoint 365, go to the Design slide and then scroll over to where it says Designer. It has like a lightning bolt on it, and click that. And basically what it's going to do, this is the current slide. These ideas over here are things that I could do if I wanted to. And there's lots of interesting things. I need to make a couple edits perhaps, but this is a lot more visually engaging than what I had before. And all I need to do is basically select it, and then I can move on to the next slide and start to add design ideas there. Not every slide has the possibility of using designs, and I think it's because this one has some weird bullets set up, so it didn't offer anything. But usually what happens is it'll say something like, generating design ideas, and you can see it's actually put together some interesting looking slides. So I might take something like this, or maybe something like that, because it looks pretty cool. I didn't tell PowerPoint 365 to use this particular image, but it basically inserted it in there, and it's something that I can use, that Microsoft's letting me use. So definitely check out the Design tab in PowerPoint 365. Make sure that you click on Designer so you can get some pretty cool ideas for your slides and make your presentation turn from something that's pretty boring and plain Jane to something that looks a lot more engaging for your audience. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.